Max, what happened? We're almost to the new house. Follow me on the great adventure. Get out of the snowbank. Get on the road. Oh, Mom's out of here. There she goes. She's gonna see the house before anybody. You cheater! Let's go, boys. Come on. Let's get to the new house. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's deep. I'm gonna run out of battery. All right, I'm gonna pause. We're going up there. We gotta go see the homestead. Come on, baby, we almost made it. Here's the house. And it's got a cop car and a military trailer and trailers and bulldozers. We just ran like 4 miles from down there. No! Let's go get a look at it before it gets dark. We couldn't find this place. Snow is up to my cankles. It's deep. You can tell by that car. But if we can get this before the camera dies. Oh, this is the rustic shack we're starting with. Comes with the property. And I see a camper over there. A nice Pilgrim. It's actually a nice camper. Hopefully that comes with it. And there's a freaking dozer behind it, guys. And the road needs that dozer. Man, my freaking shoes are full of snow. Who rides a bicycle up here? Oh, there's a Dodge. Well, my favorite tree in the world, by the way, is in the yard. The giant blue spruce. It's a hunter's cabin, I think. But that Pilgrim looks a little more modern hunter's cabin. What do you guys think? We're way the heck up here. Wait, oh look, there's a plow blade in the snow. Whew. We're way up here though. There it went.
Hey folks, welcome back. So by now you're probably wondering what the heck is going on. Well, we're forced to sell our home to save our business, so that's what we're gonna do. So join us on this adventure as we try to find some new land. Like, subscribe, do all those great things.
It's so weird.
Oh man, what, that kind of green?
Yeah, like neon green, and then I ran my finger in front of it.
Oh, cool.
Crazy.
Alright guys.
We're at location number 2.
This is Mom's poop.
There's the view just before dark. It's looking down on Orville. It's location 2. It's 36 acres. We'll be buying this whole mountain here. There's a location up there, right here is a flat spot with a road coming across the top section. So they say you can build a mansion there that overlooks the city. But apparently right up here, I don't know why my phone keeps acting, it keeps going all neon green and stopping recording. This is supposed to be a little rural driveway up to the shop. And there was another house just back where this telephone pole is, but it burned down. So there's several locations here. Some kind of burned down fire truck here. Cab's still here. I wonder if they'll be cleaning it up. Oh, the view from here is great. All right. Woo. There's the view. Anybody need an old horse trailer? Well, I'll trade for that. I'll trade for that. All I gotta do is build me a new house. Right here. This would be a good spot to start, huh, son? Yeah?
Well folks, what's your opinion of location 2 and its view? Do you think it's worth building on? Do you think it's worth putting some money into?
Or should we go back to looking at that old cabin? Because I think I got to burn that down anyways. And, you know, getting up there was horrible. Way worse than location number 2. But it did have the camper trailer and the dozer. Let me know what you think. And if you guys have been around for a while, you'll remember that we built that barn specifically for growing mushrooms in. And we did that in 2 months dead winter. Now, if we can do that and get this place back online and sell it, then we could do anything. So stay tuned. Let's go.